Today I will show you how to propagate or make cuttings of your blackberry tree. Propagation of blackberry is very easy. Just take any mature branch of your tree about 6 inches long. You can use rooting hormone, but I'm using natural aloe vera. Stick some aloe vera gel at the edge of your cutting. Add some aloe vera direct into the soil. Then place the cutting for around 2 inch deep into the soil and wait for 1 month. Tomorrow I will upload a video on how to grow blackberry and take a overall good care of your berry tree and grow lots of blackberries. These all are for sale. If anyone interested from Bangladesh, then contact with me. Find my Facebook profile link on description. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me or follow me on social media. Links are in the description. I have some other berries. This is my mulberry. I have uploaded a video on how to make mulberry cuttings and grow lots of mulberries. You can check that out on my channel. This is my magic berry. Someone call it the miracle berries. I will upload a video on how to make magic berry cuttings and grow lots of magic berries. See you in my next video.